set the local one to allow established. Let's commit that and see what it does. Okay, jump back onto here. Did we kill it, or does it still work? It does still work. Okay, how about, can we ping 194.16.18.1? How about 2? Good. So whereas previously we could ping there, we now can't, which is good. So firewall done here, firewall done here. Now the next firewall bit is probably not immediately obvious, it's something that perhaps you're only doing as a precaution. Here's what we don't want to happen. We don't want a nefarious employee here to do something over here. We don't want, although this is completely passive and the interfaces here are firewalled, even though they haven't got IP or whatever, we don't want this to come through and infect us perhaps with something. And we don't want, if we have multiple clients coming in, we don't want one client to infect another client. We don't want a machine here to go out and infect multiple clients, things like that. And we're going to do that by firewalling this interface here and firewalling this interface here. So that's the vton and the vton. So let's do that. Now on MSR2, that should be nice and easy because this is all kind of clienty traffic. So we're just going to do a set interface OpenVPN vton firewall name in or in name, allow established, and then local allow established, commit. Now the other end is going to be a little bit more difficult because if you remember here we have a web server, so we want, although it only goes to 443 because SSL, it redirects on port 82, so we want 80 and 443 to go through, so we need to allow that on the vton interface from here. Let's do that on client 2. So what are we going to call this rule? How about we call it allow VPN in. So set firewall name allow VPN in. Rule 10 hold on a second. Need to do the name bit first. Set firewall name allow VPN in. Rule 10 is action accept. Destination 192.168.100.2/24/32. Will you let me get away with a host? Let's have a look. Okay, what's next? We need to set the protocol for rule 10, which is ICMP, and then we can jump on to rule 20, which is going to be action accept, and this is the web stuff. So destination is 192.168.100.2, port is 80, and the protocol, have a guess. Okay, it's 30. Action accept. Destination 192.168.100.2. Protocol TCP.